Good morning, departure VinJet 379, Juliet Mike 1.5 for 3,000 and the turn to 090.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 140.
Right turn 140, Juliet Mike.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 180.
Right turn 180, Juliet Mike. Clear for takeoff, runway 19, 379 Juliet Mike.
Hey there, everybody. Thank you so much for watching the channel. Thanks for your questions, comments, and feedback. And most importantly, thank you for subscribing. Today was a very important day for me in terms of my YouTube life anyway. YouTube notified me that we have reached 1,000 subscribers. And I was trying to reach that goal for over the last couple months, and I couldn't have done it without each and every one of you. And thank you so much for that. And I know that 1,000 subscribers is relatively small in the YouTube universe, but it's a really big deal to me, and I thank you for that. I am going to be flying on Cape Air tomorrow out of Nashville, heading up to Owensboro, Kentucky to Mid-America Jet to pick up Good Karma Airlines. It's been up there for the last 3 weeks or so for its annual inspection. The other thing I wanted to talk to you about is the Air Care Alliance and their Why I Fly photo competition. I've submitted a photo, and hopefully you guys will vote on it. The intention, of course, is to raise donations for the Air Care Alliance. The Air Care Alliance is an agency or an organization that assists and coordinates virtually all of the volunteer pilot organizations across the country, including Angel Flight Source, Patient Airlift Services, Lifeline Pilots, I believe Pilots in Pause, as well as a whole host of others. And the Air Care Alliance just needs funds to operate. So this photo contest is a way for them to raise some funds. And by submitting funds, you're also submitting votes. And I hope you vote for my photo. And even a small donation of $5 helps out in some way. And so if you get the opportunity to vote for my photo, just simply go down to the link in the description below, and that'll give you a way to actually view the photo and perhaps donate and vote if at all possible, if it makes sense and it's financially viable for you. The good works of the Air Care Alliance and all the other volunteer pilot organizations help so many people, but of course they're not subsidized by the government or anything else. They're essentially funded by donations from kind-hearted people like you. So if you get a chance, check out the link below in the description for the Air Care Alliance Why I Fly photo contest, and hopefully you'll vote for me. And I can't thank you enough again for helping me reach the 1,000 subscriber mark. Let's set another goal, and hopefully we'll reach that as well. But until next time, safe flying, and we'll see you on the next video.